Welcome to Home Library Book Review, where we select a book right from the shelf and explain its learning through easy to understand text, graphics, examples, and animation, along with discussion with family members. Today, I'm joined with my son Arnav.
Hello everyone, we will be reviewing The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason.
It's a classic bestseller. It has sold more than 2 million books worldwide. It reveals secret to building personal wealth, and it is rated 4.2 out of 5 on Goodreads. Before we get started, what do you think being rich means?
It means you have a lot of money.
I thought you would say that. That's true, but think of it this way. You can also be rich in your thoughts, your behavior, your kindness, and most important of all, in your values.
And I thought money is everything.
Money is important, although it's not everything. However, in this edition, we will review and we will find out how to create wealth and build insurances. By the way, do you know who the richest person of our house is?
Yes, I know.
Come on, tell me the name. The richest person of this house is?
Mom.
Shall we get started?
Yeah!
Story unfolds in an ancient city of Babylon. Its treasures of gold and jewels were famous. Two of its main characters are Arkad and Algamish. Algamish gives advice to Arkad on how to build wealth, and throughout the book there are many such learnings. Number 1. A part of all you earn is yours to keep, which means one must always save a part of his or her income. Just save and keep a part away. When you save a part of your income repeatedly, soon you will accumulate savings. When you have enough savings, then you can invest them under expert advice into a business. When business does well, you will receive profits.
Dad, what are profits?
Profits are your net income minus expenses. Then you can do more business with these profits, and they in turn will get you more profits. This will soon develop into a sustainable cycle and ultimately build lots of wealth. Number 2. Men of action are favored by goddess of good luck.
Please explain with an example.
Consider this: if there is a gold reserve buried under rocks, and the only way to get that gold is to dig. Now, if you're not ready for the hard work, and after digging for some time you say to yourself that there is no gold, this is a waste of time, and just give up, then you will never get the gold. However, if you keep a positive mindset, and even though you have tried long enough with no results, but still keep digging through and put all the hard work that is required, then you will be blessed with the goddess of good luck, and with your sheer determination and persistence, you will achieve results. Or let's say in this case, you will get the gold. Number 3. Better a little caution than a great regret.
Dad, what is caution?
Caution is care taken to avoid danger or mistakes. Let's look at some examples from this book that serve as cautions to build wealth. Save 1/10 of your income. Invest your savings. Always invest under expert advice. Do not venture in a business you're unaware of. Do not get attracted to a business which is too good to be true. Number 4. We cannot afford to be without adequate protection.
Dad, I'll be needing another example.
Sure, protection is something that ensures our safety under difficult times, and we need to build them today so that in future we are ready for any situation. See, you cannot be protected under the shade of a tree if in the first place you haven't planted a tree yourself, right? Similarly, you must be protected financially. For example, you must build your own shelter. You must accumulate enough savings to cover your expenses during difficult times. Also, you must be adequately insured. through policies to ensure safety and protection of yourself and your family members. Number 5. Where the determination is, the way can be found. Arnav, now can you give me an example here?
Okay, let's say if you keep thinking a lot, then all you do is block your mind with lot of clutter and form a dark cloud inside your head. But when you determine to take action on your thoughts and start to put together a list of what you need to achieve, then you will create your own way. You will feel positive and will begin to see light. Finally, through your action, when you achieve even the smallest of the tasks, then you will be filled with excitement and will enjoy all the sunny days.
Excellent. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. Number 1. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. Number 2. Men of action are favored by the goddess of good luck. Number 3. Better a little caution than a great regret. Number 4. We cannot afford to be without adequate protection. And last, number 5. Where the determination is, the way can be found.
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe the video. Also leave comments. Your comments will help us to know what you think and what you would like us to work on. Also, don't forget to click on the bell notification button so that you are the first one to receive more video like these. Until next time, take care.